He's our new friend in Istanbul.
Takshim.
We are in Takshim and he's having a shop here. The shop owner. He has such a wonderful product.
हमारे पास ठाकुर भाई आए और दूसरा
Rahul bhai.
शाहरुख भाई आए.
Shahrukh bhai. Hey. Good.
My name is Abdul Aziz. My second name is Salman Khan.
Oi.
Now, I'm gonna show my shop and my stops. These are dry fruits, my friends. ये खजूर है बढ़िया और ये हज़रनट है और मिक्स nuts है और fruit वाला nuts, pistachio, walnut, everything. Chocolates with walnut, pistachio, like this mushroom shaped chocolates, and up.
See, these are the mushrooms. Mushroom sweets.
Yes,
Mushroom chocolates.
But,
Mushroom fruits chocolate.
on ship chocolates.
See all the chocolates.
No, what about this?
These are Turkish coffee.
This one.
These are the
This one?
Yes, these are Turkish coffee.
Tush coffee.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Turku Baba.
Yes, with hazelnut, with mixed coffee.
And all these things?
These are Turkish drinks, popular west of Turkey.
Best of Turkey.
Yes, with saffron, with pistachio, with susam. Then we get some little piece for try and sell for your friend.
Oh.
So this is
With pistachio honey.
with pistachio honey. This is, we are trying this.
We are eating it. Mmm.
Just show. It's awesome.
And these are herbal teas. For
Herbal teas.
relaxation tea, love tea, Viagra tea, cholesterol tea, Dr. Brian tea for memorize, prostate.
What is this all?
These are spices.
Spices, multiple spices.
Turkish kebab spices, salad spices, chicken spices.
Oh, so this is all our
friend,
homemade.
Tell us the location of this shop and ask your viewer to come here. The name of your shop and the location so that they will come.
Just pass on your one message whenever you visit Istanbul, Taksim, come to our shop.
We are Turkey, Istanbul, Taksim, Şehit Muhtar Bey Caddesi on street. King Turkish Delight Shop.
Okay.
I'll show